Hey, it's Jennifer with Directly Jen. Thanks so much for ordering your return address labels with us. I'm going to go ahead and walk you through in this video how to upload them to Vistaprint to get the best possible outcome for your print project. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to click over here to labels and stickers. Oops. And return address labels. I'm then going to choose white paper and click on Upload Design. So I'm going to click on the thing where it says Upload Design. Then I'm going to go to Upload Logo or Image. And I'm going to click on my return address label print file. You're going to want to use the PDF file that I've sent you. Oh, it's funny because I did upload it already, but apparently it's not there. You're going to upload the print file, and that is going to be the file that you are going to want to use for uploading to Vistaprint. So it's just thinking. There we go. Looks great. So even though that says safety area, we are totally fine on that. You can click on preview and it's going to show you how that's going to look. And then if you're a little concerned, you can always go ahead and go to preview and then download the PDF proof. You just click on there and it will give you a proof. And that is what we've done here to see what it's going to actually print. So that looks pretty good. Then we're going to go ahead and click on next. Yes, everything looks great. Continue. And we're just going to go ahead and say continue to cart. Because they keep trying to sell you a bunch of extra stuff on the way there. And then once you're in your cart, just FYI, I've got on my Chrome, I've got Rakuten loaded, which used to be Ebates. There's a link to this in the email that I sent you. If you don't have it already, I totally suggest getting it. You get $30 for signing up and using it. And then I actually, once you use it, I get $30 too, just being totally upfront with you about that. But as you can see, you can use it in other places as well. It's not huge amounts, but it all adds up. So just FYI, sometimes I've seen this go as high as 10 on Vistaprint. So then you just go ahead, check out, order your stuff, and boom, it gets there in a couple days, couple weeks, whatever, however fast you do your shipping. And then you've got your return address labels. So thanks a lot for ordering it directly, Jen. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out and we will do our best to help you troubleshoot any issues you might be having.